Hi everyone, this is from Cloud Institution. So today we will see about how to install the Git on the Windows. Okay. So first step, you need to search the Git on the web browser. Okay. So once you search on the Git, about the Git, so it will show these results. So click on the Git, or you can directly click on the download for the Windows because we are trying to download the Git. Okay. So as of now, I'll click on the Git. Okay, so once you click on the Git, so it will open this page. So I'll just click on the downloads here. Okay, so now I need to choose the which operating system. Okay, now I'm trying to install the Git on the Windows, means I'll select the Windows. Okay, so once you click on the Windows, so you can choose the 64-bit for the Windows setup. Okay, I'll click on it. So once you click on it, you have to save it and it will download. Okay, so sometimes it will directly download. Okay, so once it is downloaded, so double click on it. Okay, and there is a pop-up, it will come, that will be not shown here. Okay, so if it is shows, click on the yes. Okay, once you click on the yes, it will pop up, it will go for this pop-up and click on the next, and you can choose the like a path whichever wherever you want to install. Okay, now I am keeping as it is default. Okay, click on the next. Okay, and click on the yes if you have already exist. Okay, so then don't change any options, just click on the next. Okay, again click on the next. So nothing to change here, as it is default you have to keep, and you have to go on the next itself. Okay, keep on next, next. Okay, and next, next. Nothing to change, again next, click on next, again click on the install. So once you click on the install, it will extract all the files. Okay, so we have to wait for it. It will take some minute. Okay, so once it is installed, once it extract all the files, we can go for the finish. So let's wait. Okay, I hope this has installed. Okay, so now, so once it is got extracted every files, so you can just click on the launch git bash. Okay, you can check mark that and finish it. So once you finish it, so this page will open. So you can just close this, and you can see this is a git bash. Okay, so you can see that is installed. If you want to see where it is installed, then you can search in the Windows search bar about the git bash. So then you can open it. So I hope you have understood how to install the Git on the Windows. Thank you for watching.